मॅम सायली जॉईन करणार आहे का?
थोडा जवळचा नाही यार, गेटच्या बाहेर निघायला बरोबर जुडिओ लागते तुम्हाला. किती मस्त.
हॅलो.
हा मॅम, जॉईन करणार आहे ना सायली?
हो हो करेल सायली, एकच मिनिट.
हा ठीक. हॅलो सायली.
येस मॅम.
झोपली नाही का गाज तुझी मुलगी?
काय म्हणाला?
झोपली नाही का म्हटलं आज ती?
नाही ना.
Okay. So last topic is form validation. Okay. Suppose whatever it is form it is. Okay. How to validate this form? Okay. Simple. If there is a Facebook page. Okay. Now this is a simple login form. Okay. Now how to screen share na? Siley?
हो मॅम.
Screen is visible. Okay. Okay. Now how to validate means what? We need to validate these kind of forms accordingly. Suppose this is email address or phone number means what? It should accept only email address and phone number, right? It should not accept any other characters or special characters, okay, except at the rate. Okay, so this is nothing but your validation. We are validating whether the username is taken correctly or not, okay, or password is taken correctly or not. Okay, whenever you are going to enter the wrong password, then it should show some alert message or whatever it is or a prompt. Then please insert valid password. Okay, that is nothing but your password validation. Okay, so I have created one small form here. Okay, form validation form. Then I have written it customer ID, contact, password, and confirm password. Okay, these four and one is submit button. Okay, these four concept values are there. Okay, now suppose if I wanted now, I'll run this program, then okay, now form validation, user ID, contact, password, and confirm password. Okay, and whenever you are going to submit your data, then it should submit the data. Okay, wherever you wherever you wanted to store. Okay, so I wanted to store my data in a submit form.html. Okay, I have one submit form.html file in my, this is the submit form.html. Okay, I wanted to store or I want to submit these form into a this in a file html, this html file. Okay, this file could be anything. It is it could be your html file, it could be your php file. Okay, whatever the language you are using for writing this for is form code. Okay, now if I wanted to here, now हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे क्या किया now, so user id, for user id, contact, password, and confirm password, I have taken here IDs. Okay, especially IDs. Why IDs? Because IDs are unique on a web page. Okay, so user ID has a ID is N1, contact is N2, okay, password is N3, and confirm password is N4. Okay, now if I wanted to target these elements by ID, then in the HTML DOM, we have seen what we have seen here. The method is get element by ID. Okay, so in script tag here, I have taken one function that is data, and in this function, we'll be validating our form. Okay, now, so here document dot get element by ID dot value. Okay, dot value, what will be the value? This kind of value, it will target by get element by ID method. Okay, for we are
पण
storing.
आपण इथे डॉट व्हॅल्यू का घेतलंय?
Dot value means what? Simple. Dot value means this value, na? User ID, contact, password, and confirm password. Okay, I need to target these value. Okay, suppose in user ID should be, suppose if I wanted to give all the fields are mandatory. Okay, means what? All the fields are mandatory. अगर एक भी आप लोगों के if anything is missing, then the form should not submit, right? Okay, so first is that thing. So for this purpose, we need to target these all things, these all the input thing. Okay, right? For that purpose, we have targeted the all the four fields, okay, by ID, and we are targeting the value. We are targeting the value, and we have stored these fields into a particular variable. Okay, now where A, where B, where C, and where D. Okay, now here is the OR operator. Okay, now first validation is, suppose if A equal to bracket blank, or B equal to blank, or C equal to blank, or D equal to blank, means what? If any one of this field is blank, then it should show some alert, that is all fields are mandatory. Okay, all fields are mandatory. Okay, return false ये हम लोगों को always return false करना है, so that ये वाला जो alert है, अगर ये return false क्यों? Because अगर सारी की सारी आप लोगों की यहाँ पे जो ये है fields है, वो fields अगर आप लोगों ने enter की है, then it should return false, right? And it will not show any kind of alert here. Okay, now this is the first validation of this form. Okay, we need to validate this form, and this form will, first validation is all fields are mandatory. Okay, how will you check all fields are mandatory? Then firstly, we have targeted these all the elements by ID. Okay, then dot value, and we have stored these all fields in a particular variable, and we are checking the fields. We are ensuring that no field is remain blank. Okay, now, okay, suppose here, one second. Okay, now here one is there only. Okay, just okay. Now let's see whether it is working or not. Just see. I have here some kind of some contact. Okay, देखो, all fields are mandatory. What it is said. Suppose, okay, now I have submit the form. Okay, whenever you are going to submit the form, it will give you a all fields are mandatory, right? Okay, suppose, and I have given here a password, then submit data. Okay, your data has been submitted. Okay, now getting my point, Saili?
ऍक्च्युली काय झालंय, तुमचं स्क्रीन विजिबल आहे पण पॉज झाले, म्हणजे काय तुम्ही करता काही दिसत नाहीये.
Wait. Hmm? Hmm. Now, Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now what I have doing here is, okay, these all the fields are mandatory. If one is also missing, then also your data will not submit to that particular file. Okay, suppose here I have not given the contact number. Okay, and I'm going to submit your data. Then what is happening? It is showing all fields are mandatory. Why it is showing? Because we have written one function, that is data, and we have written in that function, what we have written? Just if A or B or C or D, any one of these is a blank, then it should show some alert, that is all fields are mandatory. Okay, now are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and where we are calling this function? At on submit, we have called here on submit event, and at the starting of form I have called this data named function. Okay, so that whenever we are whenever we are returning whenever we are submitting the values, it should call these method. Okay, this method. Okay, got it?
येस.
Okay,
फॉर्म व्हॅलिडेशन मध्ये इतकं सगळं करावं लागतं आपल्याला.
right. हो.
म्हणजे खूपच असं लेंदी सगळं करावं लागतं.
फार लेंदी प्रोसेस आहे. प्रत्येक फील्ड तुम्हाला इथे हे करायला लागेल.
म्हणजे असं पाहिलं ना, की असं वाटतं हे इझी
हम्म.
आहे, फक्त थोडं लेंदी आहे.
हा, राईट. ओके, डू इट फर्स्ट. इतकंच कर पहिले. ठीक आहे, नंतर नेक्स्ट सांगतो.
हो.
हम्म.
हो.
डन सायली? टिल
नाही
9
थोडंसंच राहिलंय.
ओके, डू इट.
थोडंसं.
This is the whole code, okay?
येस.
Done, Saili?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is we need to check. Okay. So, length of the mobile number. Okay. So, I am removing this. Okay. Length of mobile number B dot. Mobile number, what we in which variable we have stored the mobile number? Basically in B. Okay. So, B dot length. Okay. B dot length is less than 10 or B dot length is obviously हम लोगों को यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए? What we wanted to do is the mobile length of the mobile number is basically a 10-digit number, right? Not more than that, not less than that, right? So B dot length is less than 10 or B dot length is greater than 10. Okay, so alert should be there whenever we are giving this kind of mobile number, then it should show number should be 10 digit. Please enter a valid number, right? Okay, good. Okay, now suppose this is the first way, and second is else if is a number is NaN. If is NaN B, is NaN means not a number. If the number is not a number, then what should alert should here give a the alert should be only numbers are allowed. Please enter valid number. Okay. For example, now, okay, suppose here I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, how it is possible? Or suppose, and here your data should be submit form should not submit na, right? Okay, then यहाँ पे ये भी लेना पड़ेगा suppose. Okay, वन बाय वन चेक करना है, else if ये भी चेक करना है. Now suppose अगर यहाँ पे आप लोगों को ये नहीं the number is not equal to 10, okay, 10 digits, then it should show number should be of 10 digits. Please enter valid number. Okay, or suppose number is not a number. Not a number means if the number is a character. Okay, what we have entered it is this is a character. Okay, then it should show please enter valid number. Okay, and written false. Okay, and then last one is that is password. Okay, so password and confirm password. Password and confirm password should be matched, right? If password is different and confirm password is different, then it should not
Accept my email.
right, it should not submit your data, right? So for this I have taken one, that is c dot length is less than 6. Okay, the length should be less than 6. Okay, now if the length of a password is less than 6, then it should show password must be of length 6 characters. Okay, means what? We need to give the password length as a 6. Okay, so here suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, suppose A, S, F, R, G. Okay, and then it should submit your data. Okay, now basically if C is not equal to D, C is not equal to D means if the confirm password is not equal to, if the password is not equal to confirm password, if the password is not equal to confirm password, then if the password is not equal to confirm password, then please enter same password. Alert should be displayed, that is please enter same password, right? Okay, because here what we are validating? We are validating the password here basically. Okay, now password and confirm password in according to whatever the password is, same password we need in the confirm password, and then only your data should be submitted, right? Hello, Sally.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this is nothing but your form of validation. Okay, for each and every field, you need to write some function or some condition for validating that field using targeting that field by element document dot get element by ID or by name or by tag name. Okay. So hit the okay. From line number 28 it is done or not? Okay, from till line number 27 I think. Okay, till line number 27 it is done,
27.
right?
Yes.
Okay, now write this code.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Password
Yes.
also done? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is nothing but your form of validation in JavaScript. Okay. Now we have to start now the React also. Can we install React now or shall I take a tomorrow session?
उद्या कंटिन्यू करायचं का?
Okay.
माझं हे लास्टचं राहिलंय ते आपण
Okay.
बीचं केलं ना एल्स.
Okay. Okay, then we'll continue tomorrow with React installation.
Yes. Yes.
Done?
Yes, done.
Okay. Okay, then we'll continue tomorrow. Okay?
Yes.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.